Welcome once again to Keep on Learning online class. My name is Teacher Emmanuel, the teacher of geography, is coming again. So today we are going to learn geography, where we are going to discuss different questions relating to the topic of rock. Remember, in the previous episode, we covered all content relating to the rocks, but today I come up with the special questions that can be asked. And then when you know all those questions, you are going to be able to pass any difficult questions relating to this topic of rock. Let's start by the question number 1. What will happen when sedimentary rock undergoes metamorphism? What will happen when sedimentary rock undergoes metamorphism? This question can also be asked in another way. What happened to sedimentary rocks when heat and pressure act upon on them? So meaning that when heat and pressure act upon on sedimentary rock, what consequences will take place? What are the results will occur? And also, the first way of asking this question, where they say what will happen when sedimentary rock undergoes metamorphism. So it means when you talk of metamorphism, it's a process by which a certain kind of rock is exposed to intense heat and pressure. So, and therefore, the way this question is asked, the first way it is like the second one. So when sedimentary rock, when heat and pressure act upon on sedimentary rock, they change the color. Number 2, they will melt. Number 3, they become metamorphic rock. Number 4, they can develop cracks and even break. So as a result of being exposed to intense heat and pressure. So therefore, I think this question, when is asked in a certain exam, everybody will be able to attempt and pass and even get all marks. Let's go to the question number 2. The question number 2 is asking, give 2 reasons why some rocks are hard while others are soft. So this question requires to give the reasons why some rocks are very hard while others are very soft. So I come up with the 2 main important points. The point number 1, some rocks are made up of weak minerals. For example, like calcium, such as limestone rock. So since they are made of weak minerals, so therefore they become soft. And also, the second point, some rocks are located on the ground, hence modified by atmospheric conditions, while others are deeply covered in the ground, hence hard like granite. So meaning that since some rocks are exposed to weather conditions, since they are on the surface and are exposed to weather conditions, so this will make them to become too soft. For example, when too much rain, when rain fall, it means those rocks will absorb the water. And when those rocks absorb the water, they will become too weak, or they will become soft to be easily weathered. While others deeply, so meaning that while other rocks are found in deep, and those rocks which are found in deep, they tend to become too hard. For example, like granite. So therefore, those are the main 2 points. While some rocks are very soft and while others are hard, we have 2 main important points where we have said that some rocks are made up of weak minerals like calcium, such as limestone rock. Therefore, they tend to become soft. And while some rocks are located on the ground, hence modified by weather or atmospheric condition, while others are deeply covered in the ground, hence hard. For example, you have like granites. Let's go to the question number 3. The question number 3 is asking, explain why igneous rock is referred to the mother rock. So meaning that this question requires to show how this igneous rock is taken as the mother of other rock type. So we have the 3 main reasons. So the igneous rock is considered as the mother of other rock because of the following reason. Number 1, it is a type of rock from which other rocks get their origin. So meaning that other rocks, for example, like sedimentary rock and even metamorphic rock, they can get their origin or their source from this igneous rock. And remember, when we were talking about how sedimentary rock is formed, we have said that it is formed when weathered sediments from igneous rock together with dead plant and animals are deposited, compacted, and cemented in the area, especially in the low-lying area, and therefore they will lead to the formation of sedimentary rock. So meaning that since in a sedimentary rock we have some weathered rock particles from igneous rock, this indicates that they were born from this igneous rock, and therefore it is considered as the mother of rock, since other types, they get their origin from that igneous rock. Then the point number 2, it forms basis for soil formation. So meaning that it is igneous rock that favor soil formation, since whether the rock particles are decomposed or decay, they will lead to the formation of soil. Therefore, remember that a certain type of soil, like clay soil, is considered as a sedimentary rock. So therefore, since it forms basis for soil formation, it is taken as the mother rock. Then it constitutes the larger proportion of the earth crust. Since a larger proportion of the earth crust is made of igneous rock, it indicates that all other rock types get their source from that igneous rock. So, since a large quantity of rock of the earth crust are made of this igneous rock, this indicates that igneous rock is a mother of other rock type. So therefore, I think whenever this question is asked, everyone will be able to attempt and get past. Let's go to the question number 4. The question number 4, give the possible locations of sedimentary rock. So meaning that sedimentary rock are not found everywhere. It has some possible location. For example, it is not easy to get sedimentary rock at the top of mountain, because at the top of mountain we don't have deposition, and therefore we cannot say that it is easy to get that sedimentary rock at the top of mountain. It is only found in the following areas that mentioned here on the blackboard. So the first possible location of sedimentary rock, it is in the valleys. So those sedimentary rock can be found in the valleys. Then number 2, the bottom of the sea, the bottom of the ocean, the bottom of lakes, because in the sea, in the ocean, and even in the lakes, it is where the deposition takes place. So meaning that when rivers brought some deposits, some materials, they tend to deposit them into the lakes, seas, or ocean, and therefore sedimentary rock are likely to be found there. The river bottom, you can also find sedimentary rocks there. The flat areas, in the flat areas, you can also find sedimentary rock. For example, in the swamp, the low-lying areas, where we can even find clay or coal. So therefore, it is where we can find them. Remember that in the bottom of the sea, or in the sea, it's where we can even find the coral reef. And remember that coral reef is an example of sedimentary rock. So therefore, those are the answers for that good question. Let's go to the question number 5. The question number 5 is asking, state 4 ways in which rock sediments are carried in the river. 4 ways in which rock sediments are carried in the river. So meaning that the rock sediments can be carried out in the river in the following ways. For example, we have suspension. So some rock sediments which are too light, they are easily be transported, especially while flowing at the surface of the river water, and therefore that is a point. Then siltation. Here it is where a river can transport medium-sized rock particles. They are not going to be transported while floating on the surface or while creeping on the river's bed. They are transported in middle. We have a traction. Here it's where a river is going to transport very heavy and big rock particles like pebbles, and they will be carried or transported, especially at the bottom of the river. And we have a solution. Solution here, this is where the river will transport, the water of the river will be dissolved, especially in soluble rocks particles. And therefore, this is the way. Let's go to the question number 6. The question number 6 is asking, name 2 processes that change sedimentary rock into igneous rock. So meaning that a sedimentary rock can turn into igneous rock, as we covered in the previous episode, where we have said that some rocks can change from one type to another type due to different factors. And here we have too many factors, or we have too many processes that change this sedimentary rock into igneous rock. For example, we have crystallization. Crystallization is a process. We have also volcanism or melting. So meaning that due to the increase of temperature, that is that from intense heat, so this sedimentary rock can also melt. When it melts, it will produce the magma that will cool and solidify to form igneous rock. And therefore, I think those processes are clear and easy to understand. Let's go to the question number 7. So this question of number 7, it is made of only multiple choice questions relating to this rock. Here, we have like 4 questions of multiple choice. So using a tick. So meaning that using a tick to choose the correct answer. So they give us different options to choose which one is correct. Whenever you find the one which is correct, you are going to use a tick so that you can indicate that you have selected the one which is correct. Let's start by question number 1 in the multiple choice. Sandstone is an example of which of the following rock? So they give us sandstone, and they give us even different types of rock, and they want us to choose which one is sandstone belongs to. Is a sandstone metamorphic? No. Is a sandstone sedimentary rock? Good. Yes, sandstone is an example of sedimentary rock. C, is igneous rock? No. None of the above. No. The correct answer is B, because sandstone is an example of sedimentary rock. Let's go to the question number 2 in multiple choice question. Which of the following is a plutonic rock? Which of the following is a plutonic rock? Plutonic rock, we have A, granite, B, gneiss, C, gypsum, D, none of the above. The correct answer is granite, because granite, it's an example of plutonic rock or plutonic igneous rock. Let's go to the question number 3. Which of the following is made up of molten magma? So they give us different types of rock, and they want us to choose which one is made of molten magma. A, sedimentary rock. B, igneous rock. C, metamorphic rock. D, none of the above. So the correct answer is B, because a rock which is made of molten magma, it is an igneous rock. Let's go to the question number 4. Limestone rock is an example of which of the following? They give us limestone. They want us to choose which one. it belongs to? Is it a metamorphic rock? Is it a sedimentary rock? Is it an igneous rock? Or none above? So the correct answer is B. It is a sedimentary rock. It is a sedimentary rock because a limestone rock, it is an example of sedimentary rock. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and give comment so that we can keep on improving our teaching and learning practice. Have a nice time.